got the spine up. Yeah, that crack.
Yeah.
I think he's got it. You see, he's got no control over his muscles or anything.
This is incredible. My gosh.
Yeah. He says he knows about the pride. So the two that were, like the one that's been killed and the other one, their reference would be Avoca and Guernsey. So Lake Clouds, Guernsey. This is inner open, etc. Everything's going to come. Mature, they're going to indirectly be mating with their family. So the line is that is epic. So you see how the claws have come out the sheath, holding onto that dead line. The jackal's hanging around. Look, they're not going to be too phased by the jackal, but if it does come really, really close and starts irritating them.
There's another fight.
Yeah.
Scar right here looks like.